Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to your dream ranch style 4 bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home where comfort, convenience, and captivating mountain vistas awaits you. Nestled within the safe and friendly community of Campbell's Heights, Westmoreland. This single level gem boasts a beautifully manicured lawn and a fully fenced yard of 0.39 acres, which is perfect for privacy and peace of mind. Fire up the outdoor barbecue and dine al fresco on one of two charming verandas, soaking in the fresh air. Step inside to discover a spacious living area graced by soaring high ceilings and abundant natural light, ideal for both lively gatherings and quiet relaxation. Prepare meals with ease in the well appointed kitchen, then tackle laundry day without stepping outside. Thanks to the dedicated inside laundry room, retreat to the generous master suite, where you'll find a luxurious ensuite bath, complete with a deep soak jacuzzi tub, your personal spa oasis. Air conditioning keeps the home cool and inviting, while a reliable water tank and hot water system ensure you are never without. Whether entertaining friends on the veranda, unwinding in the jacuzzi, or simply enjoying tranquil mornings, this run style haven offers effortless living at its finest. Call to schedule your appointment today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 33 million, US 209.1 thousand, Canadian 299.4 thousand, or 162.5 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.